Hello, Dan here, 26th of December 2024. Boxing Day, happy Christmas everybody. So today I'm going to be making a video and I'm going to show you this chainsaw. So this is the Echo CS310-ES and I was actually given this as an early Christmas present. So I've been using it and so far so good. It's been quite a good chainsaw actually. So with regards to chainsaws, I'm normally a bit of a sort of traditionalist, if you want to call it that, in the sense of that I often use Husqvarna and steel saws. So this is a Husqvarna 365. This is a 20-inch bar. Had this for quite a few years now, probably about 7 or 8, something like that. And yeah, this is what I normally use. It actually needs a repair at the moment, so I've got to put it in to be fixed. But anyway, for what I'm doing today, I'm going to be using this Echo here. So this is a 12-inch bar, and so I stated I've had it for probably, you know, a week or two now, and used it straight out the box basically, which was good. At £200, you get quite a good saw. So what I'm going to do is show you cutting some different woods here, and you can see how it does. So Japanese make, and Echo is said to have a good build quality. That's what I've been told anyway, and so far I've you know, been impressed with it. Let's look at some wood cuts and see how it does. So you can see here, look, that's eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is a very hard wood to cut when it is seasoned. This is about 3 or 4 years old, this wood here. So we're just going to chuck one of these down there and we're going to put the saw through it and you can see how it works. So let's just start this saw. So what we'll do, we'll give it 3 primes of the priming button here, priming bulb, whatever you want to call it. We'll pull the choke out and we'll make sure our button is up. So I've actually used this once since I've sharpened it. So it's not like fresh sharpened to use, if you know what I'm saying. I've used it to cut this rather hard bit of eucalyptus. So there we are. So let's start the saw and get going. Right, choked. So best practice, you're actually meant to start the saw with the brake on, but I didn't do that, but you should. Anyway, okay, let's cut. Right. So anyway, there you go. So saw how lovely that cut through this hard bit of yuki here. So we've got some other woods here. We'll just take it through there. So the eucalyptus is the hardest wood here to cut. So what I've got here, the wood I've got, I think this is actually sycamore. This is actually seasoned. So this saw should go through this like a knife through butter. All right, so we'll put the brake on this time. Right, let's fire away here. Try and get the angle right so you can actually see me doing some cuts. Right. Right, so you got the idea there, went through that absolutely no problem at all. We'll try it here now. This is a piece of conifer. So I think this was cut about 2 years ago, something like that. So we'll stick that on here and we'll cut the conifer. We'll use a better chopping block than that. We'll get one of these and use this as a chopping block here. So there you go, conifers, no problem at all. And let's get a bit of hawthorn and we'll cut through that. Hawthorn is actually a very hard wood. This is very, very heavy. So we'll cut this, and once again, you can have a look at a bit of the old hawthorn. Okay, let's have a look. So there you are, you can see that, it's a good tidy chainsaw. Certainly if you're just a sort of home chainsaw user at home, I imagine for most things that you're cutting at home, that would be good. You've seen, perfectly fine for this this bit of eucalyptus here. I've just noticed there's a little bit of cherry here. I'll cut some cherry, and you can see me cut the cherry with it. So there you go, cherry, no problem at all. What I'll do now is we'll get a bit of that yuki that I cut earlier and we'll go down it sideways. Let's have a look at that. Yeah, no problem at all. So anyway, there you go. So if you want a nice tidy chainsaw, 12-inch bar, you see what I've done here. For similar things, then nice saw. Echo CS310-ES. 200 quid, there or thereabouts here in the UK. 200 pounds, which is about 250 US dollars, I think, something like that. So anyway, there you go. Comments, questions, whatevers, please feel free to post below and let me know if you've got one of these, what you think.